What are you doing, Bang?
I put the compost in the bed, so we just make the new bed. Now we try to nourish it with the compost and the manure. And next one is livestock.
Right. Cool. Thank you.
Planting me today.
Okay, cool.
Sacrificial plant.
Mm. Poor name.
You will be cut.
You will be cut.
I think today the soil start to get
Harder.
dry,
Yeah.
much drier than yesterday.
So what you're planting then?
Cassava.
Exciting.
So this is the kind of the extension of the alleycrop, where this year finally we managed to kind of push it forward. We got some mango here. We actually got 2 mangoes, and then we put some smaller trees, same the soursop. So there's about 2 soursops in between. Banana is a bit close to the soursop, but yeah, we figured once the soursop gets big, we can cut the banana down and feed it. More like a perennial bed. So these are the perennial beds. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side, we got another maybe 2 perennials where you got the big trees there, right? And the others are kind of annual beds. And then this bed we have as kind of because we already had some lupina in there, the sacrificial legume trees, and then we put some neem and we put some rain tree and some other legumes, and more cassava and also some chaya while we're at it. So basically a lot of this will also feed into the system. The others are kind of annual beds where we put in annual vegetables. So now we planted beans in this, some long bean and some wing bean, and there we also plant some morning glory, pakbung, water spinach, in those 2. Yeah, so this hopefully will be a nice productive vegetable garden with annual vegetables. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. It needs to fill all of them completely.
The big one is leaking.
This is leaking. Leaking.
This one's leaking.
Uh-oh. It's leaking actually in 2 places. Nice.
That was good. Hey, woo!
Yeah, so if you fix the leak, it's going to be even better.
We have irrigation.
Wow.
Slow-mo.
Look at that. It's amazing. Yeah, wow. Bang, what are you doing again?
We are covering green mulch. That's what we're doing. So, and afterward we will put livestock on top of it. And after that we will pull the urine.
Ooh. That's good. That's the highlight of the day.
So we protect the soil. I think this is nitrogen, right? No, this I think.
Yeah. I mean, it's already kind of composted a little bit, or we lost some of it because it's been sitting for a few days.
Yeah.
But it will still be good. It still has a lot of nutrients in there.
A little bit of compost. That's some really good looking compost. Giving it a nice secure little home. Ta-da!
Oh, I put on my fisherman pants and I left the city, left it for some ocean.